สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Let's make ปูผัดผงกะหรี่ or stir fry crab in curry powder.
This recipe is for 2 to 3 person, and the full recipe will be in the description box below.
Let's take a look at our ingredients. We have our crab, spring onion, evaporated milk, white onion, eggs, celery leaves, chili paste or nam pik pao, garlic, red chili, sugar, oyster sauce, curry powder, soy sauce, pepper, and cooking oil. I'm using flower crab, but you can either use this or mud crab. Let's prep our ingredients. I'm going to take my spring onion, so I'm going to cut it about 1.5 inches. So I'll cut. Finely mince your garlic. Long diagonal. For crab, I'm taking out this part. Then right after that, I'm taking out this part. You'll have this. Take my big knife and voila.
ได้อย่างนั้นได้เอามา
These are the crabs that we got today from the market. Even though they are small, but look at that crab roe and fatty part. That's one good crab. Small but mighty. First, let's make our stir-fry sauce by combining the ingredients. This will make it easier later on when we stir-fry. So I have my evaporated milk. Go in first. Sugar, pepper, chili paste, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and the star of the dish, curry powder. Mix this all up in one motion. It smells so good already. Curry powder is really nice smell. Nice kick. Hom. Take your time with the stirring because you really want to make sure that everything is well combined. At this point, I'm going to beat my eggs and pour it in and give it another mix.
The creamy factors are the eggs and the evaporated milk. So our dish will be creamy and the curry paste is just gonna be so good.
On a high heat, we put in our vegetable oil, any vegetable oil of choice, and then your garlic. We want our garlic to be about 50% done. And then we put in our crab. Put in some plain water and stir fry this.
So depending on the size and the amount of your crab, you want to cover this with a lid and check in on them every once in a while.
When our crab is looking about 50% done, we add in our stir fry sauce. After a while, we put in our onion.
คนไทยบางคน
Give this a taste test. At this point, if you feel it's lacking some salt, feel free to add it in.
เห็นไหม
เห็นความสวยงาม
เห็นความสวยงามไหม
เห็น And this is our stir-fry flour crab in curry powder. Looks so good, so let's dig in. Egg and onion. This is so good. The egg and the crab and the onion, it all goes so well together. And it's not that spicy. I love everything about this dish. This video a like if you find it helpful. Share and subscribe to support me and to be notified when the next video is up. Until then, see you next time with a new Thai recipe. Bye bye!